Another feature on investors.com is the news and TV analysis portion. This is just an interesting free feature. If you go to news, it'll give you the news of the day. Um, and like I spoke about before, jobless rate shrinking, um, there's a Kirby Corp surges. There's lots of news stories here. But right over here, there's an IBD TV daily stock analysis. If you click on this link, it's going to bring up a video. You're going to get a little bit of a commercial. Um, and then after the commercial, you're going to get some analysis. I'm turning off the volume on the commercial. So what it does is it takes you through an analysis of a particular stock. I think this is a great way to learn how to analyze a stock. They take you through multiple aspects of a stock trade. So here it comes. Let me put it on.
I'm Christina Wise with the Daily Stock Analysis for Friday, December 2nd. Today we're going to look at Lithia Motors. The company operates new and used car dealerships in the western U.S. Lithia's sales growth ranged from 29% to 31% during the past 3 quarters. Earnings growth has cooled somewhat recently, but stood at a still strong 69% last quarter. For the full year, analysts see earnings rising 102% in 2011, but just 9% in 2012, so watch to see if those numbers improve. The company's earnings have been up and down over the years, and that's part of the reason its EPS rating is just 80. Still, the stock's accumulation distribution rating is an A, so some big investors have been buying the stock in recent months. Lithia is a member of the Retail Wholesale Automobile Industry Group, and its 98 composite rating is one of the group's highest, so it's one of the leaders. The group itself is ranked number 3 among the 197 groups IBD tracks, so it's also one of the market's leaders. That's important because studies have shown that nearly half of a stock's price performance is tied to its industry group and the broader sector it belongs to. By the way, Lithia's retail sector is ranked number 5 among IBD's 33 sectors, so it's also one of the better performers. Now let's see how its chart is shaping up. Lithia carved out this cup with handle base, and the low in that pattern undercut the low in the previous base. So that reset the base count and makes this base number 1 in the count. Here's a closer look at that pattern on a daily chart. You'll notice the stock's price fell about 20% as it carved out the handle on its base. Ideally, the price drop should be just 8 to 12% as the handle forms. Still, that's not all that unusual in a bear market. Also, volume dried up near the lows as the handle formed. That's a plus, because it shows big investors weren't dumping shares. To find the ideal buy point on a cup with handle base, add 10 cents to the peak in the handle. That makes the potential buy point $23.33. As of early Friday morning, Lithia seems to be trying to break out past that buy point. But with the market in a correction, buying can be risky. So for now, this may just be one to keep an eye on to see how it behaves.
So that's an example of Investors Business Daily giving you a free stock analysis every day. I think it's a good idea to watch those videos a couple times to see what is it that the professionals are looking at in terms of a stock and its potential, and using that to come up with your own kind of stock evaluation process.